Hello, students. We will learn about the patterns in our surroundings through a story named Pranav the Pattern Detective. This story is written by Aditya Swaminathan and illustrated by Gemma Jose. You climb up a tree. It's your turn, says Arjun. Pranav looks up at the tree and says, Okay, I will go. Can you see the ball? Mansa shouts from below, but something else catches Pranav's eye. Look, it's a beehive, Pranav cries. Mansa looks worried. What about all the bees? Don't worry, it's empty, says Pranav, peering at it. There are so many holes and they are all the same shape. Why did the bees choose this shape? Why not a circle? Pranav wonders. He imagines the hive in circles that could not work. Bees are very clever, Pranav tells his friends the next day. He has been reading all about them. They have discovered the best shape for their home. Hexagons come together with no holes or gaps, just like a jigsaw puzzle. Their maths teacher, Mr. Das, overhears them. The six sides of the hexagon provide more room for the bees, he adds. Where did they learn how to do that? Pranav asks. Mr. Das says with a smile, patterns are everywhere. At the market the next day, Pranav looks carefully at the fruits and vegetables. He looks at the pineapples, rig gourds, and the inside of oranges. So many sizes, colors, shapes, but Pranav can see the patterns. Are patterns really everywhere? He wonders. Pranav becomes a pattern detective. There are so many things in nature that are created using repeating patterns. Pranav tells his class the next day. We use repeating patterns in our man made world as well, says Mr. Das. Why don't you try to create something using a pattern? That can be your homework. What shapes shall we use to make the pattern? Pranav asks. Mr. Das writes the answer on the blackboard. At home, Pranav thinks about his homework. He imagines making his own hive, perhaps with squares or triangles. He thinks about what Mr. Das said. Patterns are everywhere. Then he starts seeing the patterns. Carpet, bookshelf, windows, patterns everywhere. Where he looks, he sees shapes coming together. Bees are not the only clever ones, Pranav thinks. We use shapes and patterns for so many things. And so Pranav get busy drawing his dream house, red rectangular bricks, black and white square tiles at the entrance like in his grandmother's house. Who knew simple shapes could make a home for bees, for me and for you? Thank you.